Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Diary. Today we are discussing about our second chapter, When Lines Join. The name of our chapter is When Lines Join. In this chapter, we are recognizing peculiarities of sides and angles of rectangle and square and solving problems based on them, and recognizing angles in objects seen around, and also drawing angle using necessary tools and recognizing shapes, naming them and describing peculiarities. In this chapter, our first topic is straight and slanted. Straight and slanted. I think that all of you know that what is straight and what is slanted. What is it? It is a picture that shows a tower in the city of Pisa in Italy. It is famous as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning means slightly slanted. Okay, this is an example of slightly slanted. In this picture, there are something common to all these. What's it? In all these, there are things going upwards, some straight up, others slanted. Let's check that. Look at these pictures. There are four pictures. Let's check what is straight upward and what is slightly slanted, etc. Just look at the first picture. There are some coconut trees. There are straight up. Okay, there are straight up. In the second picture, there are slanted coconut trees. And here is what about the next picture? There are something straight and slanted. And also the lines are, the post is straight, the lines are slanted. Okay, these are some examples of straight and slanted lines. Just look at what is straight and what are the slanted. Just think about that. What is straight and what is slanted? Look at these pictures. These are polygons. Polygons are the closed figures. These are geometrical figures made up of lines are named according to the number of sides. Those with three sides are called triangle, and those with four sides are called quadrilateral, and those with five sides are pentagon. Those with six sides are called hexagon, seven sides heptagon, eight sides octagon, nine sides nonagon, and 10 sides decagon, etc. We can name these polygons using the sides. Okay, just remember these things. Our next topic is four sides. The geometrical figure having four sides we are just called as quadrilaterals. Okay, the geometrical figure that having four sides we are just called it as quadrilaterals. Look at the picture. These are some quadrilaterals. Now we know that what is a quadrilateral and what is straight and what is slanted. Okay, in these some sides go straight up from the bottom line and some are at a slant. We can distinguish these pictures using straight up and slanted. For example, look at the first one. Left line goes straight up while the right one is slanted to the left. Just like that we can fill the table. Using the previous picture we can fill the table. We already discussed about the first picture. What about the second picture? The left line and the right line are upright. There is no slanted lines. And the third picture, the right line is upright and the left line is slanted. What about the fourth picture? The left line and the right line are upright and no slanted lines. In the fifth picture, no upright lines. The left line and right line are slanted. Then the sixth picture, the left line and right line are upright and there is no slanted lines. And also in seventh picture, there is no upright lines, upright. The left line and right line are slanted lines. Then in the at last the eighth picture, the left line is upright and the right line is slanted line. Okay, now I think that all of you know that what is upright and what is slanted. You can know, I think that all of you know the difference between upright and slanted using this table and picture. In our textbook, next topic is set squares. Set squares. What is set square? Okay, it's just a device that we are just used for drawing straight line and slanted line. Just look at that. What is that? This is set square. Your geometry box also has a pair of set squares. What are their uses? I am already tell you that we can use this for drawing a straight line and a slanted line. Just look at that. How can we use this? These are two set squares having three sides. It's just like triangle. And one thing you should remember that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It is just a point to remember. Okay, don't forget that. And the angles in a triangle are for the first angles in the first set square are 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree, and the second triangle or second set square is 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. I know that you don't know that what is degree, and also okay, just remember that things. Okay, and one more thing, the straight up edge of these two set square are called the square corner. Square corner, we use this square corner for drawing straight up sides. Okay, for drawing straight up sides, don't forget that. Now let's check the use of set square. Look at this quadrilateral. Are the left and right lines straight up from the bottom? Not very sure, are you? Let's check with a set square. First, place the set square in a proper manner on the quadrilateral. Then we can see that the right line is a bit slanted to the right. So it is a quadrilateral having one side is slanted. Now let's check the example. This is also a quadrilateral having four sides. So now we are check there is any slanted lines are there. The first line, just check the first line. Just place the set square properly. So there is no slant. Okay, there is no slant in this side. Then what about the other side? Just let's check that. Okay, just put the set square properly. Yes, we can see that there is a slight slant. There is a slant in the figure. Okay, now let's draw some figures using set square. This figure shows a line with a small dot on it. We want to draw a line straight up to the line and also through the point. For this also we can use a set square. The line we draw now meets our needs. The set square has three corners and we use one of these to draw the line straight up. This corner of the set square is special and edge through this corner is straight up from the other. It is called the square corner. Square corner. We can draw many such lines using set square. In this picture we can also see that how we draw such a line through the left end of the point. Okay, left end of the point. First we extend the line and just place the corner of the set square corner at the end of that point. Okay, we can also draw like this. Okay, we can also draw like this as shown in the picture. Now let's do some problems. These are some problems in our textbook. First, look at the first problem. What is the first question? Draw a line 6 cm long from the left end point. Draw an upright line 3 cm from the right end point. Draw an upright line 6 cm high. Join the top ends of these lines. That is our question. Let's look how can we draw this figure. Let's check the problem. For every problem, just draw a rough figure. Okay, here the sides are 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, this is a, first draw a rough figure for the picture. what's the we want to draw a first we want to draw a 6 centimeter straight line. We want to draw a 6 centimeter line. We are just drawing that line using a ruler, and when we are just drawing, don't use pen, please use pencil. Okay, please use sharpened pencil. This is a line having 6 centimeter, and now we want to draw a line having from the left end. We want to draw a upright line having the measurement 3 centimeter. Using the set square, we just draw a upright line on the left side that having 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. From the right end point, we want to draw a upright line having 6 centimeter height. Okay, using the set square, we are just drawing a upright line having measurement 4 centimeter. And also we want to join the top end of these lines. We want to join the top end of these lines like this. Okay, now we are just get a quadrilateral. Okay. Now our second question is, draw a line 7 centimeters long, and from each endpoint draw upright lines both 4 centimeter high. Draw a line joining the top end of these lines. Measure its length. That is our question. Let's check how can we find that. I already told you, first you should draw a rough figure. Here a figure having 7 centimeter, here is 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter, and we want to join the ends, and what is the measurement of this length, that we want to know. Okay, first we should draw a line having 7 centimeter. Okay, having 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter, and from each end point draw upright lines both 4 centimeter high. We are just drawing a upright line using set square having measurement 4 centimeter here, and also at the other end point we want to draw a straight up line that having the measurement 4 centimeter. Just look at this, just like this, 4 centimeter. And we are asked to draw a line joining the top end of these lines, and line joining by joining the endpoints of the straight lines, and we want to measure the length. It is 7 centimeter. Okay, it is 7 centimeter. Look at these pictures. These are also the examples of quadrilateral. There are some specialties are there. The first one is a rectangle. The first one named as a rectangle, and second one is a square. We can just go through some features of this. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. The length of opposite sides are equal, and there are straight up sides are there. And also in the case of square, the 4 sides are equal. The length of 4 sides are equal. Don't forget these things, and we can using this we can do some problems later. In our surroundings, we can see some examples for rectangle and square. Okay, rectangle and square, and take that object and measure that length and find it the features. These are some other problems using rectangle and set square. In our textbook, let's draw rectangles. Let's check that how can we draw this. What is the first question? Draw a rectangle with nearby sides 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter long. Draw a rectangle with nearby sides 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter long. First, we want to draw a rough figure of that rectangle having the sides 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. A rectangle, we also know that the opposite sides are equal. The measurement of opposite sides are equal. This is 6 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. First, we want to draw a straight line having the measurement 6 centimeter. Okay, having measurement 6 centimeter. Look this that having measurement 6 centimeter. Okay, this is a line having 6 centimeter, and take the set square and draw a straight up line having measurement 5 centimeter, having 5 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter line. Also we just draw a line at the other end of that line, that is also 5 centimeter. Just draw that line having 5 centimeter length. Okay, and join the other lines. It will be 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, this will be 6 centimeter. You can see that for a rectangle the opposite sides are equal, the measurement of the opposite sides are equal. The second question is, draw a rectangle with all sides 5 centimeter long. Draw a rectangle with all sides 5 centimeter long. We know that a quadrilateral having the 4 sides are equal and straight up sides, then that is called a square. Okay, this is a square. Let's check how can we draw that. For any question we should draw a rough figure. Okay, first draw a rough figure having 4 sides are equal like this. This is 5 centimeter and this also 5 centimeter. Okay, now let's draw the picture. The 4 sides are 5 centimeter. The 4 sides having 5 centimeter measurement. Now let's take the scale and draw a line having the length 5 centimeter long. Okay, this line having length 5 centimeter. Then we can draw the line, straight up line using our set square that having the measurement 5 centimeter like this. Okay, and the opposite side having the measurement also 5 centimeter using set square. Okay, just draw that and join the endpoints of that line and also write the measurement of these lines. These are 5 centimeter. We are joining the ends by using scale, so we can get a square having the 4 sides are equal. The 4 sides are 5 centimeter length. This is a square. Okay, this is a square. Now we want to draw a picture like this. The figure on the right is drawn using ruler and a set square. Draw this figure in same size. For drawing this picture there are some tricks. Okay, for drawing with this we want to draw this picture using set square and scale. Okay, these are 3 centimeters and this is also 3 centimeter, and we have this is 2 centimeter. This is a rectangle, so this is also 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, and here is also 2 centimeter, and then this is 2 centimeter. This is also a rectangle, it having 3 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter, we know that, and the opposite side is also 2 centimeter, and this is also a rectangle, so this is also 3 centimeter. For drawing this, first we want to draw a line having 9 centimeter, and also this side is 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Okay, here the opposite side, here is also, this is a rectangle having 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, so we just draw a rectangle having sides 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, and draw this picture using that trick. Next topic is tilting rectangles. Now we are going to draw some rectangles using the corners of set square. It is some special set rectangles. Okay, some special rectangles and the sides having some specialty. First we put this corner of the set square in one end of the line. Okay, one end of the line, and the other end we will just use the same corner. Okay, in the other end we are just using the same end. Now we will get a shape like this. Okay, now we will get a shape like this. This is just called as a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. The two sides are slanted. The slants are equal. the slants are equal. We are using the same corners of the set square here. Using different corners of set square, we can get different types of quadrilaterals. Okay, we can get different types of quadrilaterals. When we use the same corner of the set square, the slants are same. The slants are same. Now you can try new shapes using set square. Okay, now you can try new shapes using set square. Look at these pictures. We can draw these pictures using different corners of set square. Try it in your home. Okay, try it in your home yourself. Now we are also checking some upright and slanted. Look at these pictures. All these are drawn using different corners of set square. In these pictures, the side of each picture is same. The measurement of the side of each picture is same, and the opposite sides are also length of opposite sides are also equal. But there are not look in their look that are not at all same. What are the difference? What are the difference? There is some slants are there. In the rectangle, the left and right sides are straight up. In other figures, they are slanted. Do they have same slant in figure? Do they have same slant in figures? Okay. Every figure has four corners. A corner is made where two sides meet. A corner is made two sides meet. Every time we can't use the word slant. Okay, in language of math we say it as angle. Okay, angles. What is an angle? It's a new topic to you. Angles. Just look at that. What is an angle? We can use this term for instead of slant. Okay, instead of slant, angle means two lines meeting at a point forms an angle. When two lines meeting at a point forms an angle, that is an angle. Don't forget that. In our surroundings, we can see many examples for angle. Just look at the hands of a clock make an angle, and the branches of a tree. There are branches of a tree make an angle. Look at this. These are some real life examples for angle. Corner of a window makes angles, and the joining of rods, and legs of a chair, and hands of a clock, and an open laptop make an angle, etc. There are a lot of things make an angle. Even in English alphabets, there are many angles are there. I will just show you some examples. The other examples you should check in your home. Okay, you should check it out. Look at this. These are some English alphabets. V, E, X, Z. Here is also angles. But in V there are two lines meeting at a point forms an angle. This is angle. How can we like this? We can represent angle. In E this is an angle. Here is an angle. Here also an angle. This is also an angle. Okay. In the case of X, here the two lines meeting here. These are angles. Okay. These are angles. And inside these are angles. Okay, you can check the other alphabets in your home. Now let's check how can we join angles. We can draw angle using corners of set square, and also we can add another angle using set square like this. Now we have two angles. Look at deeply, we can see three angles. How can we separately know this? How can we differentiate these angles? Just like this. Here is three angles. To talk about these three angles, let's give them names. The first angle we draw can be called CAB or BAC. Look the lines. And the second one PAC or CAP. Okay, we use the symbol angle to denote the angles. Thus, the first angle can be right angle CAB. We can read it as angle CAB. AB. And the second angle we can just write as angle PAC. Angle PAC. And just find out the third angle. What is the name of the third angle? Now we can write the name of the first figure is angle ABC. Angle ABC. We can write the name of the second figure as angle DEF. Angle DEF. We can write the third figure, the name of the third figure as angle GHI. Angle GHI. What is the name of the fourth picture? Just find it out yourself. Now let's do some works. The first question is how many angles are in this picture? Find out the angles in this picture. Here we want to find out the angles. Angle means two lines meeting at a point forms an angle. So these are the angles. This is also an angle. This is an angle, and here this is an angle. Here is an angle, and also here is an angle, and this is also an angle. These are the angles in this picture. The floor plan of a house is shown on the picture. 2 meters in the actual floor is taken as 1 centimeter in this plan. Can you draw it in your notebook taking 1 centimeter from 1 meter? Just look at the picture and draw it using scale and set square. Okay, using scale and set square. You should do it yourself. So friends, we are just discussed how to recognize peculiarities of sides and angles of a rectangle and square and solving problems based on them. And also we are just recognize angles in objects seen around, and also draw angles using necessary tools and naming them and describing them their peculiarities. And I think that all of you are just enjoyed that video, and you have to remember that all things, and you should practice these things. Okay, thanks for watching, and thank you all of you.